Hey guys, it's Rayvon Shay. If you want to start your own digital business and you want to create your own digital products, these are the 4 things you need. First, you need a free offer. That's where you'll have your lead magnet for people to join your mailing list. So you can send out valuable information to people who join your list. Because 85% of people do not take action on the first time they see your site. So you want to be able to capture their emails so that you can reply to them with automated emails. The second type of offer you need is a low ticket offer. This is anywhere between $7 and $97. You need a low ticket offer so you can separate the curious from the serious. So the third type of offer you need is a residual offer. This is something where people pay on a continuous basis. They pay month after month because you need something to start building your actual business. It's kind of like a gym membership. Somebody signs up one time and they pay continuously until they cancel. And the fourth type of offer you need is a high ticket product. This is where you start establishing your business and your brand. You would want to create your own products and have something that actually separates you from the rest. Have something that you can actually teach, that you specialize in, and start teaching people that so that you can last in business a long time. Feel free to click the link in my description or the link in my bio and click on the free training to get more information.